Understanding Media Buy, Simplified for English Learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase, media buy. This term is commonly used in the world of advertising and marketing. If you're curious about how businesses promote their products or what goes on behind the scenes in the advertising industry, this video is for you. Let's break it down together in an easy-to-understand way. Media buy refers to the process where businesses or advertisers purchase advertising space or time in various media outlets. Think of it as buying a spot for your advertisement. It can be on television, radio, newspapers, websites, or even social media platforms. Essentially, when someone does a media buy, they're securing a place for their ad to be seen or heard by potential customers. There are several types of media buys. Let's explore the most common ones. 1. Traditional media buy. This includes television, radio, and print media like newspapers and magazines. It's the old school way but still very effective. 2. Digital media buy. Here, ads are placed on websites, social media platforms, or in online videos. It's rapidly growing due to the internet's wide reach. 3. Programmatic media buy. This is a more advanced type using software to purchase digital advertising. It's automated and targets specific audiences using data and algorithms. Media buying involves several steps. 1. Research. Understand the target audience and where they spend their time. 2. Planning. Decide the type of media and the specific spots where the ad should appear. 3. Negotiation. Discuss prices with media providers to get the best deal. 4. Purchase. Buy the media space or time. 5. Monitoring. Keep track of the ad's performance and make adjustments if needed. Media buying is crucial because it reaches the right audience. By choosing the right media, advertisers can reach their target demographic effectively. Maximizes return on investment, ROI. Effective media buys lead to better ad performance and higher returns. Builds brand awareness. Consistent and strategic media buys can significantly boost a brand's visibility. I hope this video has helped clarify what media buy means and why it's an important term in the advertising world. Remember, it's all about finding the right spot to showcase your product or service to the right people. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.